In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Monday.com. Start from anywhere inside your Monday.com account. You can be inside a board, dashboard, or workspace since the setting applies across the entire platform. Look toward the upper right of the screen. You should see your profile picture, initials, or account icon near the sidebar area. Click on your profile icon. A menu will appear with account settings, preferences, and personalization options. Scroll through the list until you find an option called Theme, Appearance, or something similar depending on your version of Monday.com. In my case, I will hover over Change Theme. You'll now see available display themes for the platform. Typically, you'll see options for light mode, dark mode, and night mode. Click on dark mode. As soon as you select it, the interface will immediately switch to a darker color scheme. You'll notice that backgrounds become darker while text and interface elements adjust automatically for visibility. This setting can help reduce eye strain, especially if you work for long periods or use Monday.com at night or in low light environments. If you ever want to switch back to the standard appearance, return to the same theme or appearance setting menu, then select light mode. Some versions of Monday.com may also include additional theme settings or system based appearance options that automatically follow your device's dark mode settings. And that's how to enable dark mode in Monday.com.